like the feast. My wrist, yeah, cost of the keys. My chain got a cold lit sneeze. Yellow diamonds look like bumblebees. I am a dog with no fleas. Keep a bad bitch on her knees and re-roll that weed till her eyes shine. What's good, gang? This is what it looks like waking up in Vegas. Beautiful view, bruh. The Trump Tower over there. All right, so yeah, just woke up. Finna go eat breakfast, then come back, get dressed. Going on an ATV ride today in the desert, you know what I'm saying? Lady, it's gonna be lit. Make sure I get all of it on camera, so. What was I about to say? I started looking at this big ass shiny thing. It's in my eye and it got me stuck, but yeah. Finna go ride the ATVs, have some fun, you know what I'm saying? Get wild. Hopefully I don't flip nothing over because I'm a country boy, you know what I'm saying? When I get to having fun, I take it too far. But yeah. So y'all stay tuned for that. Yeah, man. How that shit feel? How that shit feel? You flipped it over.
That shit was busted. I ain't gonna let my mama. I flipped over. I had to let that bitch go. I'm like, oh no. This bitch ain't gonna fuck with me.
Just check these handlebars out.
You enjoying the ride? Yeah. Nah, somehow.
Hey, that shit was crazy. So you okay, right? That shit was
Yeah, I got a mouthful of dirt. I need a fucking GoPro camera, bro. That way y'all can see everything, bro. I done seen 2 people flip off these hoes, and I didn't get to record it. Bro, it's literally dirt in my mouth. So crunchy. I did, but like, the dirt was getting through it. This shit lit though, man. We're taking a little water break. Oh, now it's good. Oh, what happened to the old dude? At the beginning, it was somebody laying on the ground. I guess they flipped off. He was looking hurt. He looked like he broke his leg or something. I hope y'all can hear me because it's windy as fuck out here. It's like it's a big wind. My helmet and shit back on. How was it? You had fun?
My thumbs hurt though.
My thumb hurt.
They're on fire.
That shit was lit. We have came to the end of this shit. Look at myself. To the back of me and stopped my bike. She can't drive. She ran into me. Made my whole bike stop. Wish I had a GoPro, man. I need one of them. Nah. I don't know why, but my tabs are burning. I was jumping that thing and everything. Getting it in. Put it in the place in the back of the truck. Appreciate it.
but you had a good time?
Oh yeah, for sure.
Good time?
That shit was lit.
Definitely.